Tonight we continue with the final part of our investigative report into possible contamination of the Ironwood city water. Local 3's Corinne Griffith finds out what the city's plan is moving forward.
They want clean water. They want their city fixed.
For the last 2 days, Local 3 News has brought you the story of Ironwood, a city not unlike many others in the United States that are dealing with possible water contamination. In this final part of our investigative report, I asked the city what their plans are moving forward.
We're under the regulatory umbrella of the state of Michigan, and also the federal EPA. So there's layers of oversight and responsibility. So we do take the water very seriously. We're very in tune to making sure that we meet or exceed all regulatory requirements for safe water.
Higher than average amounts of a naturally occurring metal called manganese are in Ironwood City's water supply. 41 sample tests were completed by the health department. 37 came back below the human health advisory set by the Environmental Protection Agency. The other 4 samples were taken from an area of downtown Ironwood where the fire hydrants had recently been used. Those results were over the health advisory level.
Put that water up to your nose and tell me you drink it.
Residents say they have complained of brown, smelly water to the city, but have had no change.
Brown, black toilets.
Ironwood City Manager Scott Erickson says this discoloration is not a daily occurrence and is likely not a health concern.
Manganese is typically more of an aesthetic issue.
But the city says they have heard the complaints from residents and are already in the process of finding a solution.
Really the only way to address that is to do a filtration. It's to put in a filtration system, in line with our well field. So that's something actually our city council has directed our staff to look at. And we are going out to retain the services of an engineering company that specializes in water treatment.
Erickson says the city is currently doing cost estimates and research to see what needs to be completed.
If the community says this is, the direction they want to go, our city commission is taking a look at that. And again, they'll have an engineering study done, cost estimates put together, what that would cost.
But he says that will affect the already high water prices residents are currently paying.
Well, that does tie back to rates because the water system does pay for all water improvements.
Most importantly, Erickson says he wants the residents to know that the city is working on a solution.
We'll just keep on moving forward and making sure that the water is safe for the community and making sure we're working with all the health professionals that are experts in this area that provide us good guidance.
For now, the residents of Ironwood are able to continue using bottled water provided by the city. Reporting for Local 3 News, I'm Corinne Griffith.